5 tire change. This time same thing. You're going to remove the reflective sticker with a razor. Get the reflective sticker off. You're going to save blade. Then you're going to take 2.5 and remove these. 2.5 millimeter. 2, and then there were 4 under there. Then you're going to use, and then there were 4 under there. Then you're going to use, and then there were 4 under there. Then you're going to use 18 millimeter to remove this nut. And I didn't have an 18 millimeter combination wrench, so I had to use this wrench and some leverage, and I was this way with this up. If you work it on this way and you're pushing down on this, you could splice this wire off with the back of some spoons and a shirt to get it off. Also labeled the tire, the direction the tire is spinning. Of course, make sure all the air is out of that. Then we're going to just push our old tube. So the way I'm getting the tube out is I just pushed it all the way over, and I'm just taking my fingers and scraping it out. So this doesn't come off that easy, but I use the spoon and just pry it down with the spoon. I squeeze the tire together with both hands and slip it over, because it only comes off one way because of the wire goes. And you can see that it's kind of sided. These inner tubes are kind of sided, so we're going to use that, the one that's sided, to this side. This is not easy, so I used some needle nose pliers and grabbed it and then bent it and pushed it in. So now by hand at first, we're going to pry the tire on there. Just like any tire, if you see that if you lift it and you get it in that groove, you can put more play and get it around the rim easier. Squeeze in here, and then squeeze in here, and then thing that this is sided, so that's how it goes. Now just tighten everything up, put that 18 on, put the 4 bolts in the cover and the reflective sticker, you're good to go.